Getting rid of acne is already a struggle, but just when you think the problem is finally solved, another issue shows up with post-acne scars and stubborn dark spots. First, let's understand why and how acne scars actually form. The main cause is inflammation. When a pimple appears, the pore becomes swollen, which can lead to a break in the follicle wall. If this damage goes deep enough, it reaches the dermal layer of the skin. Your skin immediately responds by producing new collagen fibers designed to repair the damage. Although these fibers try their best, they usually can't restore the skin to its original smooth texture. Many people spend huge amounts of money on expensive creams, laser treatments, or cosmetic procedures. But the truth is, you can reduce these marks using simple homemade remedies that are easily available to everyone. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are commonly used on the eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles, but they do much more than that. Cucumbers are excellent for reducing acne scars and dark spots. They contain a high amount of water that deeply hydrates the skin, while vitamins A and C nourish and improve skin texture. Simply place fresh cucumber slices directly on acne scars and dark spots and relax for about 30 minutes. Then wash your face and apply moisturizer. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week. Number 2. Egg whites. Egg whites can also help reduce acne scars and dark spots. They remove dead skin cells, fight acne-causing bacteria, and contain proteins that speed up the skin's healing process, allowing your skin to recover faster. Whip the egg whites in a bowl and apply them directly to the problem areas. Leave them on until they dry, then rinse your face with water. This treatment works best when done twice a week. If you're allergic to eggs, skip this method as there are plenty of other remedies that work just as well. Number 1. Ice cubes. Ice cubes are widely used to refresh the skin in the morning, but they're also surprisingly effective against post-acne problems. They help reduce redness, fade dark spots, and minimize acne scars. Dermatologists recommend wrapping ice cubes in a clean cloth and gently rubbing them over the affected areas for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this every morning for a couple of weeks. For an extra boost, freeze green tea instead of water. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil to each section of your ice tray before pouring in the cooled green tea. This combination helps kill bacteria, soothe the skin, and reduce swelling and redness from pimples. Remember, skincare alone isn't enough. Pay attention to your diet as well. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and fish to supply your body with essential vitamins. A balanced diet supports healthy skin just as much as these homemade remedies, and when combined, the results can be truly impressive. Do you have any tips of your own for getting rid of acne scars and dark spots? Share them in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to join us on the healthier side of life.